So in this case, the prosecution, which is Lopez, I believe, right?
Yes.
You'll start.
Okay.
So we'll give you about a minute. Explain yourself to me. Then we'll give Theo a minute. Then he'll explain himself to me. Or his lawyer
Okay,
will.
perfect.
All right.
Okay. May I begin?
Have at it.
All right. So, on the first day of what?
Over there in the front. You're addressing everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Lopez.
Hey,
Lopez.
Hey, Lopez.
Hello, Lopez.
On the first day
Hi,
of
Lopez.
Lifesteal World, I had the worst time ever. And I died many, many times. I lost many, many hearts. But one of those times was different from them all. Because one time, I was just talking with Fossey at spawn. Just doing my stuff. Just talking with Fossey, having a good time. When in the corner of my eye, I see Theobald with 5 other players start chasing me. And before I knew it, I was dead.
Outrageous!
No.
And then over the next few hours and the next day, I proceeded to go to therapy with my therapist and, you know, try to, you know, talk it over, feel better, you know. I was on 3 hearts, it was pretty bad.
Yep.
But, you know, I spoke with my therapist, and Theobald butts into my therapy session with all of his friends to try and claim the victim and pin it against me for making it my fault that he killed me. So I don't really like that. He's basically saying lies, saying I said stuff to provoke him, but you know that's just simply not true. I know what I did. I was speaking to 4C, and that's how it was. And then the final thing I'm suing Theobald over is workplace incidents. I used to work at the Burger Mart. Theobald is the manager of the Burger Mart.
Objection.
And
Objection.
Can't object in the opening
Yeah, you gotta wait. You have to wait.
You know you can't do that,
just the opening statement.
Okay.
bro.
Whoa!
My client's very passionate, please.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. I get it.
At the Burger Mart that Theobald owns, I died under his his occupancy of the place. So it was not very good. Not very good at all.
Okay.
And all the while I'm freaking sick. I'm having a bad time on the server. So that is my statement. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
You're so brave.
All right.
You did that.
Deal with the bird, or your representing counsel. You may give your opening statement.
Guys, I got this.
You got that, bro.
Yo, he's so cool. That was cool.
All right.
Players of the Lifesteal SMP, I come here before you today to defend my name against these accusations brought against me by Lopez here. Here's what happened the first day of the Lifesteal SMP. I, you know, had a new set of gear. I was just running around spawn. There were, you know, five or so other players who were chasing me. You know, yelling things constantly. I couldn't hear anything. Really, what was going on? I come across a player in full diamond armor, full gear, on the Lifesteal SMP, and they started, you know, they started shouting and yelling things. There was so much commotion going on, and well, what am I to do but to engage in a PvP battle? But quickly, after a couple crits into this fight, I realized they were not trying to fight at all. They were actually, you know, they were actually helpless. They were innocent, and I decided to spare them until, out of nowhere, a player named Floatives on horseback with a spear, gores Lopez through the heart, through the torso.
Oh my God.
It was brutal.
Oh my
It was
God.
brutal, and I tried
my
to
God.
kill his horse. I tried to get justice for Lopez. I felt so bad for what had happened, but he barely got away. He barely got away, and you know, and on the whole topic of the workplace incident, you know, this is the opening statement, so I can't provide evidence, but really what happened is I was being attacked. I was being attacked by spunks. And I got hit into a trap, and I was digging out, and I saw in the chat Prince Zam and JoJo Solos slaughtering my loyal employees, I go up and you know what? I care about my workers. I care about them so much. You know, they produce so much surplus value for me. I could never let anything bad happen to them. And I chased down the assailants, and I sacrificed myself trying to get. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Gasp.
No, please,
Oh
please
my
take your
God.
time.
No,
Sorry.
don't cry. Don't
Sorry.
cry.
Sorry.
Oh man.
I sacrificed myself
Oh.
trying to get justice. Justice for my employees who were killed.
Wow.
And despite all of this, sorry, despite all of this,
God.
Lopez has gone around telling the server that I killed her. There has been no death message, no anything. And really it's slander. It's defamation. And if I you know, happen to win this court case, I will be countersuing for defamation.
Wow.
Gasp.
Whoa.
That's a big
Sorry.
word.
Youch.
I rest my
That's
case.
big.
Word even.